Welcome to Earning Engine. Today we are going to learn practical advice on leveraging technology to generate income. In today's video, we'll share 10 effective ways to make money using Chat GPT, a powerful language model. Whether you're looking to monetize your skills or explore new opportunities, these strategies can help you earn money with Chat GPT. Let's get started. Number 1. Content creation. Use Chat GPT to create engaging and informative content for blogs, websites, or social media platforms. Offer your services as a content creator or freelance writer, utilizing the capabilities of Chat GPT to produce high-quality articles or blog posts. Number 2. Virtual assistant. Provide virtual assistance to individuals or businesses using Chat GPT. Help with tasks like email management, appointment scheduling, research, or customer support. Leverage Chat GPT to streamline communication and enhance productivity. Number 3. Language translation. Utilize Chat GPT's language capabilities to offer translation services. Translate written content or provide real-time interpretation for meetings and conferences. With Chat GPT, you can bridge language barriers and cater to a global audience. Number 4. Online tutoring. Use Chat GPT to offer online tutoring services in various subjects. Provide personalized learning experiences, answer students' questions, and assist with homework assignments or exam preparation. Number 5. Social media management. Leverage Chat GPT to manage social media accounts for individuals or businesses. Create engaging posts, schedule content, and respond to messages or comments, ensuring a consistent online presence. Number 6. Creative writing. Tap into Chat GPT's creative abilities by offering services as a ghostwriter or storyteller. Write compelling narratives, short stories, or even collaborate on book projects, enhancing your clients' creative endeavors. Number 7. Chatbot development. Use Chat GPT to develop interactive and intelligent chatbots for businesses. Create conversational experiences that automate customer support, lead generation, or FAQ responses, providing value to companies seeking automation solutions. Number 8. Game design. Incorporate Chat GPT into game design by creating engaging characters and interactive storylines. Develop narrative-driven games where Chat GPT powers in-game dialogue and decision-making. Number 9. Language learning. Develop language learning courses or apps using Chat GPT's conversational abilities. Create interactive lessons, quizzes, and exercises to help learners practice and improve their language skills. Number 10. Voiceover services. Utilize Chat GPT to offer voiceover services for videos, commercials, or audiobooks. Use the model's natural language capabilities to deliver professional and engaging voiceovers for various multimedia projects. And there you have it, 10 effective ways to make money with Chat GPT. The versatility of this language model opens up exciting opportunities for leveraging its capabilities in different fields. Remember to market your services effectively, deliver high-quality work, and continually improve your skills to stand out in the competitive landscape. We hope these ideas inspire you to explore the potential of Chat GPT and find profitable avenues to monetize your expertise. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell for more valuable content.